what we've seen is the companies that are most productive are the ones with half as many pilots, and they end up with twice as big ROI.
Lacy, welcome. Lacy, despite increased investments in maintenance support, mission ready rates across many Western air forces is still below 70%. What do you put that disconnect down to?
It's a great point. I mean, over and above what we're seeing is the inputs do not equal outputs. And you could say the system is very fragmented. It's very reactive. It's not predictive in any sort of way. And as a result, where you're putting the money is not driving to the output that you want. And so what you see is more and more money getting funneled into the wrong place with the wrong resources and the wrong identification of what the root cause is.
What is the solution to the investment mission ready gap? And where does AI play a role in that?
Great question. So we see companies coming at this with lots of different angles in terms of way the AI plugs in. In places where they're experiencing manpower shortages or labor shortages, investments in something like a maintainer co-pilot, which helps bring new maintainers up the learning curve faster, improve first pass yield, and be kind of that technical at your fingertips source, has been super useful in terms of improving turnaround time. The second place we often see a lot of benefit comes out of when you're investing in control tower. So control tower helps you see a fragmented system all in one view and know exactly where your bottlenecks are and where to invest. And then the last place is predictive maintenance. Now, this has been around for a while with kind of mixed results. What we're starting to see now, though, is a better way to bring it into your maintenance program so that you're more proactive, you're taking demand out of the system, and it allows you to have less need to invest all those resources to get the same results.
Where should firms be prioritizing their AI investment, though?
So when we talk with firms, we like to start with where their top strategic problem is versus where their AI problem is. What we find is that a lot of the investment goes to science projects and fun things. What we strongly recommend is understand what the root cause is of what's driving your performance and tailor the AI solution to that.
Lacy, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.